Today we're going to teach you how to use the stairs with a cane. Ensure that the cane is a proper height. It should be about as tall as your hip bone, and when you hold it, you should have a slight bend in your elbow. Hold the cane in the hand opposite the handrail, so when you step up with your surgical leg, you will also step with the cane. This will help give you maximum stability and a more normal gait pattern. To go up the stairs, hold on to the handrail with your unoccupied hand and begin by stepping up with your non-surgical leg. The cane and your surgical leg follow together. To go down the stairs, hold on to the handrail with your unoccupied hand and begin by stepping down with the cane and your surgical leg together. The non-surgical leg will follow.